Lotty, Lotty, LOTTYFRIENDS. Click, click here. Click, click here. Coloring with LOTTYFRIENDS.
Hello, friends! Today we will color with Greepy. Oh, there he is! He will do a pretend play with his friends. What would he do? The first hint: you make delicious food with many ingredients. Do you not know what this is yet? Then the second hint: guess by looking at the letter. This starts with a C. Now you must know what this is. The answer is cooking. Greepy will make some egg dishes with his cooking toys. Greepy has a lot of fun playing with his friends. Let us color together. Wow, it's done! What do you think? Greepy had a lot of fun playing pretend cooking with his friends. Who will be our next friend to color with? I will see you next time. Bye-bye!